So let's talk about XRP. XRP is sitting at $2.19 right now. And the situation of XRP did change from yesterday a little bit, nothing crazy. When we went and we hit the area of 2.3 over here, if you remember, then it started a slow downward journey, and finally we went all the way down towards the area of 2.12. But $2 is our support area, so we might not be just done yet. It is creating lower highs. Every high is lower than the previous one. So if XRP is kind enough, it will take another turn and go down all the way towards $2. But it's too soon to say. It is on 15 minutes. You wouldn't see this chart on 4 hours. 4 hours, it is there, but it's not that crazy as you are seeing. And of course, we are looking at on daily. On daily, you don't see much except for this overall action that had happened a few weeks ago. Some weeks ago, not few weeks ago, some weeks ago. XRP is pretty much still ranging. It is giving a trading opportunity for those who long from the support and short from the resistance. We took a short yesterday actually in my community on XRP. So it's just that I think it is the last day of the month, and I think the boredom caught on, so we started taking some trades on shorts and they started doing well. But anyway, the overall situation hasn't changed. It is still playing the ping pong game between $2 and 2.3. Until and unless it doesn't break out of this, there is not going to be any form of direction. You will not have the journey towards 2.6 because we need to live above 2.3 for more than 2 days with 2 full body candles. And same applies for the $2. A slip below the area of $2 is not going to suffice. We need 2 daily closings below the area of $2 to dictate $1 journey has started. Other than that, I don't think there is anything else for me to add to XRP. Let's do a bit of catch up on RLUSD. It's stable coin. We haven't done that for a while. And we see some progress. So after going 1 month of stability at $294 million, finally RLUSD has added how much? And this is 6 and 17. Let's make it 16. $22 million more to its market cap. So the market cap has increased from 294 to 316. Now this is a good progress. It is actually a decent progress. At the same time, Ripple has realized that the overall business of stable coin is way harder than they thought. And that's why recently I saw news in my community, a member posted that Ripple has offered up to $5 billion to USDC to buy them and do a takeover. So then Ripple could run USDC instead of its current owners running it. And none of it is as a surprise, because I know that establishment of a stable currency is one of the most difficult things right now. World's third biggest coin is USDT. Soon, give it a month or two, soon it will become number 2 in ranking. So trying to go and compete with something like USDT is pretty aggressive. USDC is fighting for ages, and all the American money or the Western money is in USDC because they all are jailed with shitty exchanges like Kraken, Coinbase, Crypto.com, all that bullshit out there. And recently, again, Western Society of Europe taking action against USDT, removing it from the exchanges over there too. That has led to further increase of market cap of $15 billion in USDC from 50 to 64 or something. So all that stuff being done, still USDT stays as the most used stable coin, and then RLUSD comes in and it tries to interject or introduces themselves as one of the options to use. And it is stuck at 300 million, so we are talking at 140 billion. and then we are talking about 300 million. So you can understand the contrast and the overall struggle. So it makes total sense for Ripple to go out and make an offer. Let's see if USDC is there to sell themselves or not. Right now, I think it is owned by Coinbase. Coinbase owns them, but let's see if Coinbase is going to sell them out or not. And that's pretty much it with XRP and its stablecoin.